Well, 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 well. Yeah, yeah. Kwa heri, usisahau, kila mwanzo una mwisho wake. Mengi tumeyaona.
They say home is where the heart is. But what if my heart is breaking? Mom on one side, dad on the other, and me stuck in between, torn apart. They want me to choose. But how do I pick between two people that I love the most? No matter where I go, I lose someone. I lie awake at night, wondering if things will ever go back to where they were. Before the silence, before the distance, before the love started feeling like a choice instead of a promise. And I don't want to lose anyone.
Well, 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 well. Yeah, yeah. Kwa heri, usisahau, kila mwanzo una mwisho wake. Mengi tumeyaona, wengi hawatayaelewa. Laheri na kutakia, jua la mapenzi lisiwaitua. Mwezi, nyota, majaliwa zi mikononi mwako. Ukihisi kurudi, unipigie, niambie uradhi. Ukihisi upeke, usikawie, mlango uwazi. Siwezi kubadili majira au kupinga matukio ya kiasilia.
Hey. Hey. What are you reading? You always sit out here alone.
Ukihisi kurudi, unipigie, niambie uradhi. Ukihisi upeke, usikawie, njoo nyumbani.
Hi Eva. Come on, join us.
What? Did she just ignore us?
Again? What's up with her lately?
I don't know.
but I'm gonna find out. Eva! Wait. What's going on with you?
Nothing.
You can't keep pretending nothing's wrong.
Never mind.
Well. Yeah. Kwa heri usisahau, kila mwanzo una mwisho wake. Mengi tumeyaona, wengi hawatayaelewa. Laheri nakutakia, jua la mapenzi lisiwahitua.
Eva. Busy as usual, I can see. And you're home early?
Yeah, we had to come to revise for the exams.
Okay, continue.
Eva, darling, what do you want for dinner, mommy?
Surprise me. And just don't burn it like it happened last time.
Haha, very funny.
Pizza sounds great. Well, less chance of an accident.
You know what? I'll help you cook, Mom. Teamwork, right?
Yeah, right. Thanks, honey. Let's go.
Stacks on the baby. In the night, in the light, we both know that everything will be, but never will be the devil, and the day will always change, like the way the sun and the moon do. So hold on firm to the last, be there so right.
Are you done with the carrots?
You know, baby. Miss you more than the light misses their light. Want you by my side now. I know that you're hurting, but give me one chance to show you how much I can be more than enough in your life. So give me this chance, I don't wanna make it worse. This time I just wanna make it right. Every day,
Mom.
every night,
Yes?
Are you and Dad okay?
We are fine. Of course we are fine. And why do you ask?
You just don't talk that much. Not like before. Something is wrong. Mom and Dad don't laugh together anymore. It's like there's this invisible wall between them, and I'm stuck in the middle.
Mengi tumeyaona, wengi hawatayaelewa. Laheri na kutakia jua la mapenzi lisiwaitua, mwezi, nyota, majaliwa si mikononi mwako. Ukihisi kurudi unipigie, niambie uradhi. Ukihisi upeke usikawie, mlango uwazi. Siwezi kubadili majira au kupinga matukio ya kiasili.
Eva, can I come in?
Yeah, sure.
I just came to say good night.
Good night, Dad.
Eva, you know I love you, right?
Of course.
Really, Eva?
Dad, what's going on?
Your mom and I have been having some disagreements. But no matter what happens, we will always love you.
Wait, what do you mean by no matter what happens?
Eva, we are trying. That's all I can say for now.
Ayie, that's so difficult.
Okay, let's start it from the top.
Okay, stop. We need to hit the last move together. Let's get it to the top.
Jeez, can you get some break? Some of us need oxygen.
Yeah, plus we need to talk about something way very important.
Fine. 5 minutes. And what's so that important?
Guess what? James asked me to the dance.
Does he love you or he's just scared of going alone?
Excuse me? He totally likes me. Right, Sienna?
Well, he did stay here at chemistry today.
Was it I like you, or am I trying to getting my own things wrong? Staring?
Rude.
Okay. Let's stop talking about James. We have to finish this routine before Friday.
If we are talking about boys, can we just mention about Coach Costa's son who was rolling at the smooth bar?
Wait, the tall one with the dimples. And the voice. He could read the dictionary and add so on.
Hey, wait! How did this turn into a gossiping session?
We are just teenagers.
Alright, fine. One more round of boys talk. And then we nail the routine.
I just hate the way he looks at me.
Eva, you can't keep on ignoring every guy that talks to you. It's like you have a force field or something.
It's not a force field. I just don't see the point in entertaining every guy that thinks he has a shot.
A half of the school is in love with you and you're pretending like they're invisible.
Maya.
Hey, Eva.
What?
Seriously? That was James. You're just shutting him down like a telemarketer.
Well, I acknowledge him.
Acknowledged? That guy had a crush on you since freshman year.
We'll get over it.
Poor guy.
Mom. Dad. Can we talk about this? I'm not blind. Are you two getting a divorce?
My dear Eva, you are going to be separated.
Why?
It's not your fault, sweetheart. Sometimes love changes.
But I love both of you. How am I supposed to choose?
You don't have to choose. We'll always be your parents.
But you're making me choose who to live with. Aren't you? How do you choose between two people you love equally? do I decide whose heart to break?
Kwaheri, usisahau kila mwanzo una mwisho wake. Mengi tumeyaona, wengi hawatayaelewa.
Hey, Eva, talk to me. What's going on?
It's my parents. They've been fighting every day. I don't think they love each other anymore.
Sorry. Did something happen?
I heard them last night yelling in the kitchen. My mom was crying, and my dad said something about moving out. He might leave us.
Oh. Sorry, Eva.
I don't understand. They used to be happy. We used to have dinner together, watch movies on Friday, and even go on stupid trips. Now they barely look at each other. It's like they're strangers in the same house.
That must be hurting.
I don't know what's worse, the yelling or the silence after. The kind that something is broken but no one wants to say it.
Eva, I'm here for you. Anytime. Okay?
What if he leaves? What if everything falls apart?
Eva, there are still people who love you. Me, your mom, your friends. Even if things fall apart, we'll still be there for you. And so, have you decided?
I haven't decided. So, but how can I? If I choose mom, dad will think I don't love him. And if I choose dad, mom will feel the same.
Maybe it's not all about who will feel loved. It's all about what is right for you.
Stacks on the baby. In the night, in the light, we both know.
I wake to voices down the hall. Soft whispers, broken, small. No laughter, no morning light. Just echoes fading into night.
You don't even try anymore. You don't care about this family.
Oh, now you are behaving as if you are the perfect one. Can't you see what you've done to the family?
I'm tired of this, Mark. We are just hurting each other.
But it's your fault!
I'm fed up.
Mother, can't you see what we are doing is wrong? Can't you see that it is emotionally affecting our daughter?
And what do you expect me to do?
You revoke your decision, my dear.
No, there's nothing you can do about it.
Look here. We've lived all along since the first day. Yes, we've been having our ups and downs. But let us go to that length.
I can't do this anymore. I'm done.
The walls that held our love so tight now crumble into the dying light. Every word is laced with pain. Every touch won't come again. The table's set, but no one speaks. Silence heavy, shoulders weak. Fox scrapes the plates, but food stays whole, as if we've lost our hungry souls. I want to scream. I want to cry. I want to ask the aching why. But words won't fix what's torn apart. Can't stitch the wounds inside my heart. So I sit and watch the time slip by, counting seconds with my sighs. For when the clock strikes past tonight, we'll fade into each other's past lives. And though the world will turn again, the sun will rise, the storms will end, the day will never come once more, our last together, forever gone.
Mom. Dad. I've made a decision. I'm going to stay with Mom. And then I'm going to spend all the weekends with you.
Yes, of course, sweetheart. Yes.
I'm so proud of you.
It's okay.
Sometimes love doesn't come in perfect shape. But in the end, love is what holds us together, no matter where we are.
Well, yeah. Kwaheri, usisahau, kila mwanzo una mwisho wake. Mengi tumeyaona, wengi hawatayaelewa.